Welcome back, seniors. Today is day 24 of our Over 60 Fitness series. We repeat the same simple exercises every day, so your legs get stronger step by step. If you're new here, don't worry. You can start from today. Let's begin. Exercise 1 chair. Sit to stand. This exercise strengthens thighs, hips, knees, and balance for seniors over 60. Today is day 56. Stand in front of your chair, placed firmly against a wall. Keep feet shoulder width apart. Sit down slowly with control, then stand up using leg strength. Keep chest straight. Hold chair sides if needed. Breathe normally. How are you feeling right now? If this is your 56th day, legs may feel tired but stronger. Comment below. Tell me which country you are watching from. Share this video with senior friends so they can exercise together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Exercise 2. Seated right leg raises. This exercise improves knee strength and circulation for seniors over 60 on day 56. Sit straight on a chair and hold both sides firmly for support. Lift the right leg slowly, hold for 1 second, then lower it gently with control. If this is day 56, stiffness is normal, so keep breathing and continue. Tell me how your knee feels and comment after completing all repetitions. Share this video with senior friends so they can exercise safely with you. Focus on posture balance, patience, and steady breathing throughout every single movement today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Exercise 3. Seated left leg. Raises. This exercise balances both legs equally for seniors over 60 on day 56. Sit in the same seated position with back straight and shoulders relaxed. Hold the sides of the chair firmly. Lift the left leg slowly without rushing. Control every movement and breathe steadily. Are your legs burning a little? That means they are working. Stay focused and continue with confidence and patience. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Exercise 4, Marching in Place, Day 24. Stand tall beside your chair for safety and begin marching very slowly in place. Lift one knee, set it down gently, and switch sides. Keep your shoulders relaxed and breathe comfortably through your nose. I am watching your posture, so stay upright and look forward. Feel your hips and thighs warming up as the rhythm builds. Let us march together, step by step, staying steady and calm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep marching with the same slow rhythm and complete all 100 steps. I believe in you and I know you can finish today. You are doing amazing and I am proud of your effort. When you complete all steps, congratulate yourself and comment "Done day 24" proudly. Great job completing day 24. If you exercised with me today, write "Done day 24" in the comments. And don't forget to share this with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can stay strong with you. See you tomorrow for day 25.